Hi everyone and welcome to the second pack opening of the Nowhere to Hide expansion from the Wars trading card game. So again, this is 36 15 card booster packs, and I'm not going to be reading out all the commons and uncommons. If you saw my last video, I think the incursion one, I just showed you the rares. I'm going to be doing that again with this video, hope you don't mind, but it just makes the videos a little shorter and saves you from seeing all the same cards and saves my throat as well, reading out all the cards. So I hope you don't mind. So let's go straight on into opening the packs. So we get the commons at the front, I think there's 6 of those. And then we get a rare card. The rare in the first pack then is Snap Switch. Some of the rare cards are foils as well. So again, like Incursion, there's 3 uncommons and the rest are common cards. So usually there's 5 or 6 foils in a box, so we'll see how many we get. I think we got 5 in the first box of the Nowhere to Hide set. So I just have to see what we get in this one. Rare card is Long Way Down, which is an asset. So rare one in this is Extraction. As I said in my last video, if you want to see the commons and uncommons in more detail, if you check out the first video I did, the box of Nowhere to Hide, opening that up, then you get to see the commons and uncommons in more detail. Rare card in this one is Hanya. The rare card in this one is Tenaru Hari. I think we got that in my last box. So the rare in this is Flame Cutter, which is a character. Rare in this pack is Rantosh, an ant. Rare in this one's a character, which is cool. That's Battle Axe Bowden. That rings a bell as well. We might have got that one in the foil actually last time. Because this set is smaller than the Incursion set, there's more chance of getting swaps because there's like half the number of pool for the cards. And this one is Takikaze, that's a ship. Rare in this one's Location, which is Ganymede Abandoned Mine. Rare in this one is an asset called Informational Advantage. Rare card in this pack is an interrupt called Few Escape. Rare card is a character called Rogan Hallard. Rare in this pack is Fill with Fear. That's an interrupt. We haven't got any foils yet, which is a little strange. Probably get a foil in this pack now. Yep, I told you. It's a character called Jylan Wrath. Now, I do recognise him. We got him in the last box that I opened. I don't know if it was a foil though. It might just have been the normal version. Rare card is Howler's Gambit, which is an interrupt. Rare in this one's a character called Vidanar. Rare in this one is a ship called Swiftwave Attacker. Then we get a rare called Chameleon, which is an asset. The artwork is really nice on these cards. That's one of the main reasons I got this set, and in fact it was very cheap and it uses the Star Wars TCG game mechanics. This one's another foil. You can just about see that. Foils are very subtle sometimes from Decipher. This one is called Sword Wall. Rare in this one is an interrupt called Max Retros, or Max Retros is probably more what it should be. And the rare card in this one is Z-Labs Type 4, which is a ship. Rare card, oh this is nice, it's a character, I do like the characters more than the other cards. This is Aris Thantos, he looks a bit creepy, but a very cool looking character. Rare in this one is another character called Sharia Koreg. Rare card is an interrupt called Begging for Mercy. Rare in this one is Piggyback. Rare card is an asset called Jovian Standoff. Rare in this pack is Tilak Vinisha. Tilak Vinisha. That is a ship. Also, another reason why I'm not reading out every single card is the names on these cards are very hard to pronounce, or know how to pronounce them. The rare in this one is Life Leech. Oh, another foil. Oh, we had this one earlier, but in the standard version. This is a character called Rogan Hallard. Again, quite hard to see the foil on that, but it is there. Rare in this pack is Larrick, which is another character. Rare in this pack is Strength of Arms. So the rare in this one is another Rogan Hallard. So this is the third one. We've got 2 normal and 1 foil now. But as I said, the pool of cards for this set is half what it is for the Incursion set. So we are bound to get a few swaps. Especially as there's only 3 packs left in this box. Again, another swap, but this time it's a foil. That's nice. I like the artwork for that one. It's Jovian Standoff. I'm glad that's a foil. So we get another foil. This is Cheng Lin. And then we have the last pack, which I will read out all the cards. We have a Jijoku Interceptor, a Transport Aid, Assault Carbine, Fortune Seeker, Hunterbot, and a Carabinier. The rare card is a standard rare. It's called Prolonged Exposure. Uncommons, we get Rapid Fire, Venus Gulumon's Correctional Facility, and a Katuka. The other commons, we get Tilak House Guard, Mouthpiece, CISIN Coordinators, Attack Plan, and Deft Attacker. So, again, not a bad box, not too many swaps. I don't know, compared to my first box, whether I've got any swaps or not. I'll have to have a look once I've sorted them all out. But I do recognise some of these rare cards, so I think we have got a few more swaps. But I was expecting that. I think that's all the foils. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 foils. Again, that's what we got in the first Nowhere to Hide box. And then all the other rares. So, thanks for watching this video, everyone. As you can tell on my channel, I am unboxing the Wars TCG sets like Incursion, then Nowhere to Hide, so I'm alternating them. So the next one will be an Incursion booster box, which is the 3rd box out of 4 for each of the sets. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will see you all soon, guys. Bye.